With all of the volatility going on in cryptocurrency, everybody wants to know what price is coming next. What are the expectations? Where can we see Shiba Inu coin? Where can we see XRP? And you know what? ChatGPT answers those questions. Now it's interesting, right? Because ChatGPT predicts just like the rest of us, but it has access to all of the current information that is going on, and it's able to utilize that information without bringing in emotion. So we're going to be talking about some Shiba Inu coin and XRP price predictions in this video. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now I'm gonna jump right into it. Right, Bitcoin is okay right now. Bitcoin's sitting at 104,500, doing its best to maintain this ascending trend line along there with the 50-day moving average, and it's looking pretty good at the moment. It says OpenAI's advanced AI tool ChatGPT predicts the value of several top altcoins will continue its robust upward trend throughout the second half of 2025. So we're gonna jump down in here. It says XRP. Where's it at? According to ChatGPT analytical projections, Ripple's XRP may skyrocket to as high as $15 by the end of 2025, marking an increase of well over 500% from the current level at $2.28. Now, it talks about some key resistance levels. ChatGPT's target would require continued market momentum and regulatory reform from the United States. Shiba Inu coin. ChatGPT predicts that Shiba Inu coin could be up over 10x by the year's end. So since launching in August of 2020, Shiba Inu coin has become one of the most well-known meme coins, boasting a market cap exceeding $7.2 billion. Currently priced around $1,200, Shiba Inu coin has gained 2% over the last day and is approaching a breakout from two bullish chart patterns, a descending wedge and a bullish flag. It says the next technical ceiling appears to be around 2,200 points per coin, with further upside towards 3,000 points per coin. If momentum persists from there, ChatGPT predicts a price move to 8,000 all the way up to 12,000 points per coin, a 10x increase from the current levels, and that puts it at an all-time high, guys. So ChatGPT is very optimistic about the current cryptocurrency landscape. ChatGPT is not, becoming fearful like the rest of the market is sitting at a level of fear right now. ChatGPT is looking at the current trends, the current prices, the current catalysts, and ChatGPT predicts that we could be seeing massive 10x to 15x gains in Shiba Inu coin and Ripple's XRP. Then it goes on to talk about some new tokens. It says, built using Solana's virtual machine, Hyper introduces smart contracts to the Bitcoin ecosystem via a custom Layer 2 network. Its canonical bridge supports fast, low fee transactions, and a broad suite of decentralized apps. It said that while ChatGPT predicts strong performance by legacy tokens, new contenders are emerging, with one that is Bitcoin Hyper, a pre-sale Layer 2 protocol that blends meme coin virality with advanced blockchain technology. So if you're interested in buying Shiba Inu coin, XRP, or any other cryptocurrency, we've got a link to KCEX down in the description. You guys can grab all of those cryptos, and you can actually trade them on leverage if you want, up to 125x leverage with some of the cheapest fees in the entire industry. And as a matter of fact, KCEX here, they heard that my channel has recently been, let's call it, unfairly demonetized by YouTube. And they created a ClayBro campaign where over the next 4 days and 18 hours, you guys can grab up to $16,000 in deposit bonuses, sign-up bonuses, and trading bonuses as well. So thank you very much, KCEX, for setting up the ClayBro bonus or the ClayBro campaign right there. Absolutely appreciate what you guys are doing for all of the subscribers. And I do want to say, if you guys are interested in buying Bitcoin Hyper, you get a link for that down in the description as well. You guys can see that they have already raised $1.4 million. A couple days, the price is going to rise again. It's very easy if you guys want to buy with crypto or buy with card. You simply connect your wallet, type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours on launch day. Now, you can learn a little bit more about how their Layer 2 network is going to work, but basically, users are going to be able to send and receive Bitcoin on that Layer 2 network with near instant finality. You cannot do that with Bitcoin, right? You cannot do that on the Bitcoin Layer 1 network. These guys are bringing real utility to Bitcoin, which is not only going to benefit this token, It could greatly benefit Bitcoin as well. I am very excited about what the future has to hold. I'm very excited about these price predictions. I wonder what you guys think about them all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.